Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really special and I'm really excited about this video because I'm gonna review and do first impressions video. I got the package yesterday, this package from Persona Cosmetics, which is a makeup brand created by Sona Gaspario here on YouTube. You definitely want to find her and watch her videos because she's a pro makeup artist. She gives amazing tips and tricks how to improve your makeup skills. She's amazing and I really like her. I've been watching her for the last 3 years now, and she built her own makeup brand, which is Persona Cosmetics. I wanted to try out some of her products, and here is the packaging. I got it yesterday and I have no makeup on right now. I will do my makeup and try out some of her products. So here is the box and I will show you what I got. Initially I wanted to purchase only her eye kit, this one, look, and it is ideal for brown eyes and also green eyes. So this is their Color Theory eye kit in the shade pink. They got another kit which is in the shade copper, but in my makeup collection I have a lot of copper warm eyeshadows and not that many pink kind of eyeshadows, so I decided to purchase this one. In this eye kit you get the eyeshadow palette and also a eyeliner and a brush. Here you've got also the Color Theory. It's like menu how to achieve some beautiful makeup looks. Here is Sona herself, some information. Here is the copper eye kit. I also got this highlighter which is called Zuma. I'm gonna try it also on camera. And the last one is this matte liquid lipstick with avocado oil and shea butter in the shade Holy Grail. So now I'm using my big camera, not my vlogging camera, and I'm not sure if I'm on focus. I have my screen over there. I moisturize my skin, and now I will use this rose water. Okay, I have my foundation, which is the Born This Way Too Faced foundation, and I am in the shade Vanilla. I will apply the foundation using this Real Technique sponge. Let me know if you have tried some of her makeup products, the Persona Cosmetics makeup products. She has also, firstly she came out with one eyeshadow palette and it is called the Identity palette, I believe, and now she is working on some new projects and I think she's doing an amazing job with her brand. It's time for concealer. I'm using the Catrice Camouflage High Coverage Concealer in the shade 110. Before I powder, I will use some cream blush. This is from Fenty Beauty, their matchstick blushes. I did a first impressions video using this blush. I'm gonna link it somewhere here, you can check it out. And it's in the shade Yacht Life. This is the shade, such a pretty pink color. I like to go like a clown. Using a stippling brush from Morphe. This is the MB5 brush. We blend it out. It blends out so quickly and easily. For bronzer, I'm using the Marc Jacobs Fantastic Bronzer. This is my go-to bronzer. I've been using this for the past couple of months. This is my favorite. I can say this is my all-time favorite bronzer. My brows, I'm using the Catrice Slim-Matic Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in the shade medium. Runs out really quickly, but it's really cheap as well. I like the consistency, how easy you fill out your eyebrows, and I like the price tag. So now I have my Rimmel London loose powder, and I will set the concealer. Like that. So now it's time to try out a Zuma. The packaging is really pretty, blush pink shade. It came with a mirror, which I like, and here is the pen, here is the shade. I will swatch it. Okay, wow, it feels so good. This is a promising swatch. I will apply it with my Zuma fan brush. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm really excited. Oh, okay. There is a little bit of kickback. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's really pretty. It is intense, for sure. It's such an intense, blinding highlighter. I'm really into it. Let's use this Morphe M01 brush and use it wet. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, I love that. Okay, I come really closely so you can see better. Some brow mascara. This is the Maybelline sculpting brow mascara. This is my face makeup. Now we are moving on to the eye kit. It comes with this palette, with the eyeshadow palette, and when you open it, here are, I don't need that, here are the shades. You got also a mirror, which is amazing. You can travel, for sure I can travel with this palette and use it on the go. It is such a great size. Here are the shades. So you got blush, taupe pink, fuchsia, and burgundy. I will swatch them. You also, inside you also get one eyeliner, Persona eyeliner in the shade Plum, and their Persona eyeshadow brush. The first shade is called a blush. Ooh, they feel so creamy. Blush, taupe, I'm such a bad swatcher. Pink. Ooh, such a unique color. Love that. Then you got fuchsia. This one. Beautiful. And then burgundy. The last one, the deepest shade in the palette. Here is burgundy. Okay, I will also use their brush. It's really soft. The shape is also really nice, like triangle shape. I'm using the blush shade, the first one. So excited! This brush is super soft. I love that brush. So basically I will follow this order and apply them. Such a great pigment. The color is really buildable. It blends out so nice. Okay, let's try and move on to the next shade, which is pink. Ooh. Wow, this is so pretty. Can you see that? I will go all over the lid with this color. I will go back after that and blend it. Oh, that shade is amazing. So pretty. So happy. I'm blending all the edges. Let's move on and use the shade fuchsia. Wow. This is really pretty. Beautiful. A pencil brush from Morphe and go under with the shade burgundy. And I am taking this one from Morphe E18, the shade fuchsia, to blend this out. And let's move on and try out the eyeliner in the shade Plum. Ooh, it's really creamy. I will apply some false lashes. These are the House of Lashes Iconics, and I will come back later. Here how the looks like now. Once again, here's the highlighter, and here are the eyeshadows. To finish off the look, I will apply some lip liner. This is the NYX Peekaboo Neutral Eyeliner. I already have some gloss. I will use this MAC lipstick, MAC Cream Cup lipstick. Now it's time to try out the matte liquid lipstick. This is a red. My eyeshadow now is really pink. I'm not sure if it's gonna match perfectly the eye makeup look, but I wanted to try it on camera and so you can see how it looks on the lips. It contains avocado oil and shea butter, which already sounds amazing. This is their season 1 collection. How cute. Red. It is not sticky. I like the formula. This is how Holy Grail looks like. It has that blue undertone that makes your teeth look whiter. This was my first impressions video. My first thoughts about the products. Highlighter, the Zuma Highlighter. Absolutely love this product. If you are looking for really blinding, popping highlighter with glossy effect, this is the right highlighter for you. I'm gonna use it probably non-stop. Theory Kit in the shade pink. Love these eyeshadows. They blend out so easily, you saw. I love the shades. There are so many unique shades, like this pink shade and fuchsia also. They are really blendable. I love the uniqueness of the shades itself, and this probably will be my go-to eyeshadow palette when I travel. It's really compact. I love the whole composition and the quality of the eyeshadows. Eyeliner is so creamy. I love the formula, and the shade is also really pretty. Probably one of my favorite stuff about this eye kit is this eyeshadow brush. It's really soft. I told you it feels so soft on the list, and I'm gonna use it a lot. Probably will be my go-to eyeshadow brush. What else? We've got also this liquid lipstick, matte liquid lipstick in the shade Holy Grail. It doesn't match now my eyeshadow look, but the formula is really comfortable on the lips. It's probably because of the ingredients, the avocado oil and the shea butter. It feels like nothing on the lips, and it's the perfect red, which also has this blue undertone which makes your teeth look white. This was my review on the Persona Cosmetics makeup. Let me know in the comments if you have tried some of their products, what do you think about them, and if you're willing to try some of the products, let me know in the comments which one you want to try out. I will link Sona's and Persona's link YouTube channels down below. You can check them out. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!